How to cancel subscription on YouTube TV. So if you want to cancel subscription on YouTube TV, then follow the on-screen steps. So if you're using a computer, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the tv.youtube.com in a web browser. And if you aren't already logged into your YouTube account, then click sign in on the top right corner and then go with sign in option and sign into your account. Once you've signed into your YouTube TV, the second step you need to do is go with your profile photo. So click on the profile photo, which will be on the upper right corner of your screen. Once you go with the profile photo, you will have all of these options. So you just need to simply click on settings. This is towards the bottom of the pop-up menu. Simply go with the settings option and then go with the membership, which will be on the left side. Click on the membership. Under membership, you just need to simply click on manage, which is here on the right side. This will be next to your existing membership or a free trial, and then click on cancel membership, which is here. Or if you want to simply pause your membership, then you just need to simply go with pause, which is on the right side, and you will be able to pause. Or to cancel, you can go with cancel membership and you will be able to cancel your membership and you will lose access at the end of your billing period. So that's how you can cancel your membership, or that's how you can pause or suspend your YouTube TV subscription. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.